Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm gonna try to make a video of making, I guess, another garden space for growing some vegetables and stuff. This is another location, another property. So, uh, what I'm doing here is I'm just marking off where I want to clean up. I put some bamboo sticks to kind of mark off the area that where I want to have the garden. There's a tree that's fallen down that has to be taken up also, or I guess cut up and taken away. You guys might not believe it, but there used to be a vegetable garden here once upon a time, at least over 20 years ago, maybe over 25 years ago. Was maybe one of the last times that a garden or a vegetable garden was down here. So I'll try to show I guess, different steps of it being cleaned up until when the I guess plants have been planted or start growing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.